Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete Facebook account on iPhone. Actually, it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So first of all, if you want to permanently delete your Facebook account, you need to open your Facebook application and then at the bottom right click on the menu icon. Then at the top right you need to click on the settings icon right up here. And then the most easiest way to find this option is to click on the little search icon at the top right, or click on the search settings at the top of your screen. Here it is. And then in this search bar you need to type delete account. And then you need to click on the first one option, personal details. Here it is. Then this page will be automatically opened. You need to click on the last option, account ownership and control. Here it is. And then you need to click on the second option, deactivation or deletion. Then you need to choose your Facebook account. And then you need to choose a deactivate account or delete account. If you click on the delete account, it will be your account will be permanently deleted, but if you choose deactivate account, you still will be able to reactivate your account. So as I will click on the delete account, then continue button, then continue again. Then you need to choose why you want to delete your account. It doesn't matter actually. For example, I will click on the I don't feel safe on Facebook, then continue again. So after that you need to make sure you downloaded all your photos, messages, your data, then scroll down, click on the continue button, and after that you need to enter your password. So after entering password you need to click on the continue button, and then your account will be permanently deleted. So, and that's all, and that's how to delete Facebook account on iPhone. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.